Good afternoon, all of you. So this is the session for feedback. So thank you for patient listening for all the 5 days. Please share your feedback about this all 5 days session. Kindly mute your devices. So kindly share your feedbacks. Please switch on your video. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, shall I share?
Sure, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is Geetanjali from United Institute of Technology. Thank you all for organizing a wonderful FDP. It was very useful to us. And thank you organizers for patiently replying for all our queries. Thank you. It was very useful, and I hope in future let us meet in more FDPs also, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Kindly others also give your feedback. Kindly share your feedback. This will helpful for our forthcoming events. So kindly share your feedback for our better improvements.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, it's audible. Sir, kindly switch on your video, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, all the participants. Actually, myself, Jay Kannan, I am working in Jyoti Engineering College, Thrissur, in Kerala. Hopefully, all the participants who have attended these 5 days session. I would like to thank all the organizers for this entire FDP. Uh, Before attending this program, we should have some bare idea about AR and VR technologies. So, but after attending this session, we would be helpful to program and what are all the in-depth knowledge about AR and VR technologies and some of the basic experiences by using some for creating the mobile apps and various sessions which will be useful for us for our future research as well as our teaching level also. Since we are in the teaching field, it will be helpful for it is indirectly helpful for our students. Once the faculty is getting the knowledge, it will be easily transmitted to the students. So it is a good forum and we like all the sessions. And about the coordination, that is also very fine. So you'll be communicating all those things in the proper email and we'll be sending the data like in the WhatsApp group also. Actually, whatever the joining time and everything, it will be the coordination is nice, and I'd like to thank the organizers of these FDP also. So, over to you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We need some more feedbacks from the. Okay. Sorry for the interruption.
We expect more feedbacks. Kindly share your feedback. So, kindly share your feedback in chat window.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's Rajkumari from Avinaslingam University.
Ma'am, kindly switch on your video.
Switch on the video. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The session was very informative and also practical session oriented is also very useful for us. Students can use that for hands-on also. And the concept of VR and also an AR is to be practically. It is very understandable. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. This is Dr. Sindhuja from United Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. The sessions were wonderful and very informative, and thanks for answering all our doubts. Thank you so much. It was a wonderful session, and thank you so much, SNS team, for organizing this. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Santosh from Congo Engineering College.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. It's really a great work organized by the organizing team of this FTP, and we have learned much. And the technical inputs from various experts really was very useful, and that's a great job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable feedbacks. So the exam link is posted in chat box. So kindly take a test before 4 p.m. Okay. So now the valedictory address is delivered by Dr. Anand Kumar, sir. Sir, please.
Once again, a very good afternoon to all present here. I would like to take this immense opportunity to welcome you all for this validity function validity note. First of all, I would like to thank the AICTE Training and Learning Academy cell, ATEL, for getting our notes, and they have sanctioned us a very good aspect for this. And next, I would like to thank the SNS institutions management who were standing behind us, sanctioning each and everything we were asking for. And next, we would like to thank SNS College of Technology principals, HODs, deans, and every officials for sanctioning us and providing us with our necessary requirements. And next, I would like to thank the speakers. Without them, this session and this FTP won't be like any other thing like that. I would like to personally thank those speakers, Dr. Ramesh Rabatkar, Professor CSE Amber Valley School Technical Campus, Ethiopia. I would like to thank Dr. A.R. Aruna, Associate Professor CSE Vailtech Rangarajan, Dr. Shakuntala, R&D Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. And a special thanks to Dr. T. Senthil Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, School of Engineering, Amrita Vishwapeetham, Coimbatore. And a special thanks to Mr. K. Aravind, Director of Operations, Thinkersight Technology, Coimbatore. And a special thanks to Srimati Smriti Adinarayanan, co-founder, Anadi Foundation, and Dharma Gurukulam, Palani. And a special thanks to Dr. K. Valli Devi Ma'am, Associate Professor, CSE, SSN College of Engineering, Chennai. A special and a very, very special thank you to Dr. L.M. Nithya Ma'am, Dean, CSE, SNS College of Technology. And a special thanks to Dr. S. Soundararajan, VIT Associate Professor, VIT Bhopal, and a special thanks to Dr. L. Ashok Kumar, Associate Professor, PhD Tech, Coimbatore. And a special thanks to Dr. S.J. Syed Ali Fatima Ma'am, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. And a special thanks to Mr. M. Jagadish Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. And a special thanks to Dr. M. Kausigan, Associate Professor, CSE, SRM, Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. And a special thanks to Dr. S. Kannimuthu, Professor, Department of CSE, Keppam College of Engineering, Coimbatore. And a very wonderful thanks to Dr. CSS Bharati Sir, Technology Consultant, ARK Info Solutions Private Limited and Maharashtra. They have given us their valuable knowledge and valuable points, and they have shared us a very, very useful informations. And not but the least, I would like to thank each and every person for organizing for this FDP. I'd like to thank participants, lab admins of SNS College of Technology, and finally, the most of the thanks goes to you participants from Pan India, from other states, other districts, other institutions. We are very fortunate to have you here. I hope we have justified this event. And another one personal request from my side is that you can post the feedback form in the Atal website associated with this event. So I thank each and everyone who has participated and who has contributed this event to be very, very successful. And once again, a heartfelt thanks from my side. A heartfelt thanks from the Department of IT, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Thank you. Thank you once again.
So thank you, participants. I will once again thank on behalf of Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. Kindly complete your assessment before 4 p.m. And also, most important thing is you want to post your feedback in Atal portal also. Okay. So thank you all of you.
Participants, another kind announcement for you. The WhatsApp group will be active. If you have any doubts or if you have any requirements or if you have any grievance, please let us know through that WhatsApp, and we'll be communicating with with you in that WhatsApp group. Participants, another announcement, like many of you were asking the materials used in our workshop here, in our FTP here. We will be providing you those materials after collecting each and every material from those speakers and participants. Most probably, we'll be posting that in another 2 to 3 working days. So please let us take us some time for posting. So you can expect those materials to be on the WhatsApp group or through a Gmail drive link in another 3 to 4 working days. Thank you.